Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to request a refund on Wayfair in 2025. If your order arrived damaged or you simply change your mind, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. First, open the Wayfair website or Wayfair app and log into your account. Go to My Orders under your profile in the top right corner. Find the item you want to return and click Return Items next to it. Choose your reason for return, whether it's damaged, defective, or not what you expected. Wayfair will then show you your refund options and whether you'll get a refund to your original payment method or store credit. You'll also see return instructions. Most items can be dropped off at the shipping carrier with a prepaid label. If the item is large, Wayfair may schedule a pickup from your address. After your return is processed, you get your refund within 3 to 5 business days, depending on your bag. And that's how to request a request refund on Wayfair in 2025. Quick and easy so you can shop confidently knowing returns are simple. If this helped, check out my other short Wayfair and online shopping tutorials.